Hello again guys, my name is Archit, back with the new facts. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So, let's start the video. In the history of aerospace engineering, NASA's gonna launch its first solar probe named Parker Solar Probe. Well, I think they like Peter Parker, you know. So, what's different in this probe? This probe is going to the sun. This probe's gonna revolve around the sun at a distance of 6.4 million kilometers from the center of the sun. So what's the first question in your mind? Hey man, that's still far from the sun, right? And yes, I agree with your statement. But on the other hand, this probe's gonna withstand 1700 degrees Celsius even at that distance. And to note that the iron melts at 1700 degrees Celsius. So does this probe have some kind of special power? Or more specifically, how this probe can tolerate such a huge amount of temperature? How this probe can tolerate that? Let's see. To know this answer, let's look at the structure of the solar probe. The solar probe is made up of 4.5-inch thick carbon fiber. This carbon fiber helps the solar probe to withstand 2700 degrees Fahrenheit of temperature. That's promising, very promising. Also, most part of the instrument will be covered by this heat shield so that the instrument doesn't get damaged from the dust of the outer space. Now, the dust of the outer space are actually the radioactive rays emitting from the sun, which is very harmful for us as well as for the probe. So we got an answer. Yes, it can withstand high temperature, and not because of any kind of special power, but because of the engineers. And yes, all the credit goes to the engineers, obviously. Also, let's come to the next point, that how this solar probe's gonna reach the orbit of the sun. Now the solar probe's gonna start its journey from Venus. That's right. From Earth, it's gonna send to the orbit of the Venus, where it will rotate around the Venus, and then from there it's gonna go to the sun. Now this whole process gonna take 7 years to complete. I mean, from Venus to sun, 7 years to complete. And then the solar probes, when it will revolve around the sun, it's gonna collect data so that we can create some kind of sustainable energy in the future from the light source of the sun or any kind of source, heat source from the sun. Fun fact guys, you can also go to sun with the solar probe. Yes, NASA is sending the names who are giving their names to the NASA so that they can send it to the sun with the solar probe. As the probe's gonna rotate, you are also gonna rotate around the sun. Well, so the last date of submission is 27th April, link in the description. So Indians, why are you waiting? Please! I have also given my name, hope you also give it. It's very interesting because we are going to sun, finally. Also, the best part is we can't feel the heat of the sun. You know what I mean. So guys, that was the topic of this today's video. Hope you like it. If you like it, give the video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, if you're new seeing this face, so subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see me more with new, different, great contents. Also give some suggestions, suggestive contents in the comment down below. I'll see you next time. So